Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, leave a comment, please consider subscribing. On today's video I'm gonna start working on some decoration, some cargo that will go on top of this bottom deck. This is a piece of fabric that is provided with the kit. It's very nice fabric. And there's a couple of wooden blocks that can be covered with this fabric. So I'm starting to cut the fabric. This first piece is a bit too small. I will then cut bigger pieces and cover the blocks. tying the rope around it, around the block of wood. I'm using glue to secure this knot. At this point, the idea was to not give a full knot, to not have much volume, and allow the block to sit. Turns out that still doesn't sit, and these ropes have to be removed a bit further ahead. Now repeating the process for a second block. Now to weather these blocks, the idea is to basically make them dirty. I grabbed a bit of natural umber. You can also use natural sienna. I rub my fingers on with the pigment, and with the fingers dirty, I simply rub the blocks, and the pigment will pick up much more on the edges, and this is the result that I'm looking for. Now I'm fitting them in place, and as I said before, I realized that they don't sit even with pressing. The rope is too much of volume, so I have to cut the ropes from the bottom. I'm trying to glue, but it's not working, so I remove the ropes from the bottom. I glue them on the edges, on the corners, so that it's not visible that there's a rope missing, and without the ropes it will sit flush and be easier to glue on the deck. And this is it for today's video. The blocks are done, so part of the cargo of the decorations on this deck is already done. Here's a picture. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like, leave a comment, please consider subscribing. I hope to see you all in the next one.